My name is Mac Davis. I'm with Blackoak Homes, and we have had the pleasure of working with the Patton Company and the Sumner family for the past 7 years here in Texas Grand Ranch. And we are extremely excited about working with this group out in Republic Grand Ranch. If you haven't been out to Republic Grand Ranch yet, you really need to take some time and go out and visit. There's so many great reasons to be building out in Republic Grand Ranch. The fact that it's just one of the most beautiful pieces of property in this part of the country. Blackoak Homes, we were one of the first builders here in Texas Grand Ranch. And again, we're looking for another long run out in Republic. I've got a brand new model coming up. It's 3242 square feet. It's a contemporary country farmhouse. We should be moving in out there in about 7 or 8 months. But until then, we're going to have this model in Texas Grand Ranch that you can come by and visit. You know, all of us here at Blackoak have been working together for 25 to 30 years. We've been custom home building our entire lives, and I've been doing this since 1979, so I've got 43 years under my belt, and I would love to invite you to come out, give me a call, set an appointment, and I'll be happy to just take you through the entire home building process, answer all your questions about pricing and how the process works. I've been called the most laid-back guy in home building for a reason. There's no pressure at all. But my goal is to give you lots of information so that you can ultimately make a good decision about your builder. And you know, the one thing I can say about Republic Grand Ranch too that probably speaks volumes is the fact that my wife and I are building our permanent home in Republic Grand Ranch right now. So again, there's not much more I can say about it than that. You know, we had lots of choices as to where we could build all over the area, and in the end we chose Republic Grand Ranch.